Bible, this will be the best makeup tutorial you ever watch.
I'm so not talking like that.
I'm so not talking
Bible.
like that. Bible.
I'm not. That's like you're delusional.
No, I really think
how else do
you
I talk?
might be delusional.
Okay, so it's Alex here. I just thought we would do a YouTube video that was really fun on sort of like all of my favorite Kardashian, Jenner, the whole Kardashian clan products. So I am in no way a makeup artist, just showing you guys how I do my stuff every day using their products. But you know, I've never really heard of the Kardashians. I don't really know who they are.
I mean, whatever, I guess.
Okay, to start with, we are going to take the Kris Jenner 10% eyeshadow palette and start going in on this one. I mean, how freaking cute is this? They even have the diamond stud. The diamond stud is foiled. I am living for this. Bible, I am living for this.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a falling angel just walked by. I think a falling angel just walked by. I think a falling angel just walked by. I think a falling angel just walked by.
Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the KKW Concealer. This is holy grail for me. I absolutely love this. I have been obsessed with it since I got it. I did get the shade number 4. I believe there are about 8 to 12 shades, so that's really, really nice. I literally had to guess on my shade though, so that was fun. But yeah, so what I would do is I would just take the concealer, go right under my eyes, a little bit more. One thing that's amazing about this concealer is its buildable coverage, and I always think that's a joke because I'm like, buildable, it's gonna look cakey. I actually tried putting like 4 layers of it on and it did not cake. So I don't know what magic Kim and Mario are putting in this, but I'm very good with that. And then I'm just bouncing my booty blender. Just bounce the booty up and down under the eyes. Bet you don't say that very often. And just get it all nice and blended up in here, up in here. I can hear Kayleen's silent laugh at everything I'm doing, so I must be doing something. Perfect. So hopefully we can conceal everything and it will last preferably longer than 72 days.
There's just too much going on.
Okay, next, in order to seal the concealer, we are going to use the KKW Translucent Baking Powder. I just use like a triangular sponge like this, and then just dip into it, and then you just go on. Okay, so now we are done baking. Yeah, we're done. I'm just gonna take like a Morphe MB5 brush and just kind of swipe away the excess. Perfect. And then my favorite item, the brightening powder. This is perfect. This is in shade 1. This stuff, this is like when Kim said this was a secret weapon. This is the secret weapon. Just get ready for this. Okay, so I'm going to take the Morphe MB8 brush and I'm just gonna go in there and then I'm just gonna put it right under my eyes. and it brightens up. I'm not kidding, like when you take photos with this, you will be unrecognizable. And then I do not have the KKW contour stick, which I need to get already because I need it, but I am going in with my Hoola Quickie contour stick, which Kinsey actually thought it said quiche, so that was a fun day. But what I like to do is it's just like a little twist stick contour, and then I just kind of like put on more war paint, you know, make sure we get up in there, make it look like I have cheekbones. That is the goal, and that my face is not flat and one solid color. A little under the chin. Tie down those, you know how it goes. But then I am going to take my booty blender once again, and we are just gonna bounce the booty all over until it is like nice and blended. I love when Elisa does my makeup because she's like super aggressive and like really gets it in there, you know what I'm saying? But it stays and it lasts and it looks good, so. Catch her at BeautyCon one day. It's gonna happen. I'll be the person handing out waters at her stand, don't worry. Get rid of that double chin because we cannot afford Cabello right now. And then last but not least, I will be going in with some bronzer. I'm just using the NYX Matte Bronzer in medium. It is holy grail. We all love this color. It really looks like a really, really good bronzer, not just like you used like some dirt on your face, which unfortunately I've seen some people do. But anyway, I'm just gonna take like this big like buffer brush and just kind of like contour around my temples. And then under my chin. And then this is one of my favorite brushes. I actually got it as a sample. It's really, really little, but it's like this tiny little Chanel brush. And it's angled and just like perfect to throw in your bag. And even more perfect just to carve out those cheekbones. That's nice. Just go over here the same way. I need to buffer it out a tiny bit. You can always blend it more with a big kabuki brush. And yes, Kim is the favorite of the family. We know Kris Jenner loves her best, but I had to bring some Kylie to the table. So I brought my favorite lip kit. This is the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in Malibu. I'm just...
Bury me in lip kits and eyeshadows. Okay.
It's like the perfect color. I've gone through many coffee stands and got compliments, so that's how I judge if my makeup is working. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the liner, go ahead and line my lips. My completely natural lips that do not have lip injections, I just overline them.
No, seriously.
Okay, so this was how I use my favorite KKW, Kylie Jenner, Kris Jenner, all of the Kardashian clan products. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Hopefully this helps you guys if you're wondering about purchasing them. I'm obsessed. I love them. If Kris Jenner was here, she would tell me I'm doing amazing, sweetie. Ochre. Bible. I could eat salad for every meal. I'm dropping lines like I'm single. I'm single.
Hello.
Auntie Kris, it's me, Todd Cranes.
I'm sorry? Hello?
It's me, Todd Cranes.
Todd Crane. I don't know a Todd Crane.
Auntie Kris, it's me.
What are you saying?
Okay, thanks, Kinsey. Sorry, I just had to like get that in. Have you seen that? Elisa, stop taking photos of yourself. Your sister is going to jail. Oh my God, look at how skinny I was. I'll start tomorrow.